Let us talk about the head. The content in the head is different from the body. Normally, the content in the body is displayed on the web page, but the content in the head is mostly made up of data, just information about this particular web page. So it holds metadata. In simple terms, metadata is data about data, just basically information. In this current head, we have metadata and we have another called title. The title tag actually determines the title displayed on the web pages tab. If you look above, you will see the title displayed. And when we change the title, you will see the change reflected on that tab. So this is the title tag. We will look in depth into what metadata can do for you. But for now, you can play around with the title tag, change the title, and you will notice that the title of the web page is different as you change it.